Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kaharansan Ïakhun Ïakhun kti latip kum ke National Arm Wrestling and Para Arm Wrestling Championship kabralong hanong ba Trisur Kerala. Nadu kat pradrik ujulio barkaban sakut no haka artrik unaitung arajar arpusan. Kelas aki ya ke Jylla janggi Thei Ïakhun kti ke Jylla Meghalaya haka kerdan master class bagi para arm wrestling ban Pynliem lendang ya ke Ïakhun persya. Kumban jipintip hang ni baya kene ke Jylla kop la Pynliem da ke Kerala Arm Wrestling Association hapo ke People's Arm Wrestling Federation India bagi nongjob na ke Jylla kop kin syajit ben mi khmat ya ke kin ho ni lek kai jongkri India ki belin aireng haka World Arm Wrestling Championship. Kini Ïakhun kti beliau Korea kita ke maksiar haka para bat master class kilang kong Margaret Pathau kasamna iban kintiu pamsat kasamla Priska Pingrop kakong mi sngo bharambai kakong Starina Jasan bakun thop ru ikiwepat kirang bat ki Thei lek kai na ke Jylla beliau Kor ya ke jingjab.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.